Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 262 different strategies, with 81 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 151 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says unstoppable profits, the scalping trading strategy that keeps you earning. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy. Now I'm glad that it didn't say something about 100% winning all the time or something along those lines, but still, nonetheless, we're going to see what this can actually do in the testing. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the most plus moving average screener, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we will jump into the settings on this one. And under the moving average link, you're going to change that to 2. And you're going to go down and click this show signals right here. Do that and click OK. Everything else will just stay on the default. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the T3MA ribbon, this one right here. Again, go ahead and click on that, and again we're going to jump into the settings on this one. And so under the fast T3MA length right here, you're going to change that to 100. Under the slow T3 length right here, you're going to change that to 200. And under the slow T3 volume factor, you're going to change that to 0.7. Go ahead and click OK. And again, everything else stays on its default settings. And so once you have it set up as I have on screen here, what we are looking for a buy trade, so we're going to look for a buy signal from the most indicator. You see the blue buy signal right here. When we get that blue buy signal there, we're then going to look down to the T3, and we want it to have a green background like this right here. When those line up like so, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. Put your trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It'll be right about there. All right, let's go ahead and play this board and see what we get out of it. And it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair-step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a sell trade, a short trade, what we are looking for is going to be the sell signal from the most indicator, like this one right here. And then when we get that sell signal, we are going to look up to the T3, and we want that to have a red background or a red cloud. And you can see that those line up right here. When those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this last pivot, and again, target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. We're going to be right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, and this one, just like the other one, just kind of stair steps its way down, gradually there, getting us finally to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So definitely not a strategy that keeps you earning. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 63 trades altogether. We had 54 winning trades and 9 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $32,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,100 for an overall gain of $24,300 altogether. So significantly better results over about 3 months worth of trading, somewhere in that area. So if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether. We had 2 winning trade, 1 losing trade, a 66% win rate, would have been a gain of $300. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 1 winning, 1 losing, a 50% win rate, would have been a loss of $300 for the week total right at $0. 23 week total now, we would have been up $38,260 over 192 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.